the Hawaii Rally Sport Association, also along with Big Island SCCA. We're running a charity rallycross, and our charity benefactor is Make-A-Wish Hawaii.
On behalf of Make-A-Wish Hawaii, we would like to thank Rallycross team and Avery and everyone who's collaborating with us. Thank you so much. If you'd like to learn more about Make-A-Wish, please visit makeawishhawaii.org. So I have never done this before, but today I got to ride along with Avery's car actually, and it was so much fun. I'm really glad that we have events like this in Hawaii, so all community get to participate. So much excitement and so much appreciation to you guys for organizing this.
Well, you're welcome, and you know, Make-A-Wish Hawaii does wonderful things with the community, and we're just happy you got to see what it's like to steer the roller coaster. That's how I describe our events. Today, on this event, we're going in the opposite direction from our normal events, just to mix it up a little bit. Track is roughly 60 seconds long for the faster drivers, 70 seconds or 80 seconds long, depending on the type of car you have. Conditions have been very dry. They've been very consistent, but dry.
What are you doing today?
Oh, racing, having fun.
How's the track?
A little bumpy, but hey, it's rally. That's what it is.
What's going on?
Annual Father's Day benefit for Make-A-Wish. It's our 10th year, I believe, and Avery's been doing a fantastic job putting it all together every year.
Currently, COVID, we're in Tier 4. That allows us groups of 25. So right now, I'll be in the car with our racing group of roughly 24 drivers. You know, we're fortunate that COVID guidelines are relaxing, so we don't have to have masks when we're outside, and the groups are larger. It makes it easier to manage events.
My job is the starter. When they tell me to go, I just wave the green flag and off they go. Pretty simple. You ready?
Hey, how's it going? I'm here to race today at Kualoa Ranch, part of HRSA Hawaii Rally. It's a good track out here, a little bit bumpy, but a lot of fun. Everybody's just out here to have a good time.
Nothing but rally racing.
Hey, how's it going? How's the track for you so far? Bumpy?
Bumpy, and it's dusty. Definitely bumpy and dusty, but it's so much fun.
I'm just here celebrating Father's Day. I'm watching my dad race. He loves working on his car every day, and every month or so he comes out and gets the racing. So celebrating Father's Day was really fun. Got to ride with him. It's kind of dusty, but it's worth it.
Stay tuned for more Kualoa Ranch Rally right after these messages.